Boy, what's going on, boy? Huh? You don't like those gunshots? They make you nervous? Huh? They make you nervous? Huh? You scared? Kabam! Make you nervous? You make you scared? You're supposed to be a hunting dog or something. So what happened to you in the past, huh? What happened to you, boy? Why are you so scared of the gunshots next door? They just tear you up, don't they? Make y'all scared and nervous? Huh? Give you panic attacks. Yep, there goes another one. Wonder what he's shooting. It's a big damn gun. You need to whine a little bit? It's gonna be okay, boy. Nothing's gonna happen to you here. Huh? You're gonna be okay, boy. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you're gonna be okay. You're gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. You're gonna be okay. You're gonna be fine. You're here with me and everybody on YouTube. It's gonna be okay.